Good morning, children. This is Shivalsu speaking. Children, we have been dealing with some portions of a maths tape in which we are going for revisions as we are over with the syllabus. So, children, here in this video, I'm gonna have a discussion on some selected questions of this exercise. So, let us have a look at the first question of exercise. First question of exercise 3. Okay, children. So the question is, rewrite the following numerals using space to separate the periods according to the Indian place value chart. Okay, so the number is 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 9, 0. Okay, so the number is 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 890. So this number needs to be expressed according to the Indian place value chart. Okay, so children, according to the Indian place value chart, the number starts from ones from right hand side. So this number is the first is ones, tens, 100. I'll just place a comma. Then thousands, 10,000. I'll just place a comma. Then lakh, 10 lakhs. I'll place a comma. Crore, 10 crore. I'll just already comma is existing over here. So the number is 75 crore 43 lakhs 21,890. Okay, so this is the number 75 crore 43 lakhs 21,890. Okay, next number B is 6 0 0 7 0 0 809. So in this number we have to count the number in this way: ones, tens, 100, place a comma; thousands, 10,000s, place a comma; lakh, 10 lakh, place a comma; crore, 10 crore. So the number is 60 crore 7 lakhs 809. 60 crore 7 lakh 809. This is only the expression as per Indian number system. So children, the remaining questions should be done in the same way. So let us talk about some questions which we can write the place values of the 7 digit in the following numbers using Indian number systems. Suppose the number, children, the number is 7 6 7 6 5 4 5 4 3 2 3 2 1 9 8. What is this number as per Indian number system? So ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, comma 76 crore 54 lakhs 32,198. So children, the very same number, if you want to convert or express this number as per international number system, so how we will express this number? First is ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, okay, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, children, so the number is 765 million 432,198. So children, this is how we have to express this number as per international number system. So Indian number system and international number systems both are useful. Both we need to know because in some parts of the world we deal with numbers in international number system, and the countries like India, Bangladesh and all, we consider Indian number system. Okay, so this is how we have to deal with the numbers. Suppose if I choose a number to solve in this way, write the number name for each of the following numerals using international number system. A number I can randomly choose a number that is 5 2 4 7 8 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1 3. So children, this number is actually ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, so this is 52,478,213. This is how we need to write this number. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. If there is any doubts and confusions, please let me know. All right, so apart from this, we can discuss about some like questions which is about addition and subtraction. As you all can see on my screen, there are some questions of exercise 4 of additions and subtraction with the missing numbers. I'm talking about question number 4. Okay, so the missing numbers should be solved in a very simple way. Like a number is 2, 5, 3 asterisk, then 9. Next number is 1 asterisk, 4, 3, 2. Next number is 4, 1 asterisk, 8 and 7. So the value with the addition asterisk 4, 6, 0 asterisk. We need to add. These asterisks are the numbers with the missing values. So 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So here should be 8. 1 will be carried. 8 plus 3, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one will be forwarded over here. 12. So 12 plus what makes 10? 10 means 20. That is 8. So here will be 8. 20, 0. 2 will be carried, will be forwarded this side. Then 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus what makes 16? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7. So this missing number will be 7. 16, 6. 1 will be carried, will be coming over here. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6. 1, 7. 7 plus what makes 14? 7. So here will be 7. Okay. I'll be writing 4 over here. 1 will be carried, will be coming this side. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So here will be 8. So the final answer is 8, 4, 6, 0, 8 in this way. So I hope it's clear to everyone, children. If no, then please let me know. And I'll be surely trying to explain this question once again. And we have done these questions many times, children. I have so many videos in my channel which I've already shared with your with you all. Please do watch those videos. I hope it will be clear to everyone. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.